In this video tutorial, you are going to learn about C preprocessor commands. Hello everyone, this is Aismanth from skillsgrow.com. Firstly, what is a preprocessor in C? A C preprocessor refers to a separate program which is not a part of the compiler. It is a separate step in the compilation process. But what is preprocessing? In general, preprocessing means before a compilation of C program in a compiler. Here is a pictorial explanation of preprocessor executed before the source code is submitted to the compiler. Preprocessor commands are also known as preprocessor directives. There are 4 preprocessor directives: macro expansion, header file inclusion, conditional compilation, and other miscellaneous directives. Macro expansion. Hash define is known as macro expansion. Hash define is a preprocessor directive which creates or defines a macro. Why macros are used? Macros are used to write efficient program and to increase the readability of programs. Hash define is used to create constants. Let's see an example program for better understanding. First two are header files. Macro expansion is used in third and fourth line. Here, we already know the value of pi is 3.4. A square means x multiplied by x. We know the area of circle as pi r square. Then we can write the area as pi into square of radius. The output is shown here. If we enter the radius as 2, then the area is going to be 12.56. Macros with arguments. Macros can have arguments as in the function. Here is an example. The important note is that we should not give space between the macro and its arguments. We can understand this statement by below given example. They increase the program size and also makes the program run slower. File inclusion. File inclusion causes one file to be included in another. It can be divided into 2 methods, as shown below. If the file name is included between the less than and greater than symbol, it is used to search the directory only on the current directory. If the file name is written within the inverted commas, it searches on the current and other specified directories as specified in the included search path. But why file inclusion is needed? To divide a program into multiple files and each file contains related functions. Nested include means included files may have more included files in it. Conditional compilation. 6 directives are available to control conditional compilation. The program code is compiled only if a specified condition is true. The 6 directives are hash ifdef means if defined, hash endif means end if, hash else means else, hash if and def means if not defined, hash if means if, hash elif means else if. The last one is miscellaneous directives. There are some directives which does not belong to any of the above mentioned directives. Hash undef, hash pragma. Hash undef is used in relation to hash defined directive. The purpose of this is to undefine a defined macro. Hash pragma. It is a specialized and rarely used directive. It provides some additional information to the compiler, and they are used for turning certain features on and off. Thank you for watching the video and stay tuned for more content from us.